Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the different types of the main three species of water lilies. What we've got here is we've got a hardy water lily, which is everywhere in the UK. Then also we've got the tropical water lilies, and also we've got lotus, Nelumbo. And as you can see, the lotus is basically growing right out of the water. The leaves are basically one of those types of plants that it's impossible to get the leaves wet. And the tropical water lilies, they're fantastic. Their fragrance on a tropical water lily flower is sublime. It really is. It's fantastic. The hardy water lilies, there's lots and lots of hardy water lilies, and certainly there are the three types of water lilies. You can grow lotus in the UK, no problem, but getting them to flower is very, very difficult. What lotus like is they like that intense sun, and I'm actually here in California at the moment visiting one of my friends. I just thought I'd shoot this quick video just to tell you about the different types and how they would grow in the UK. And why you don't see many of these in the UK is we don't get enough intense sun. Okay, they'll grow, they may form, good amount of foliage, but they just won't flower. But the tropical lilies, on the other hand, I've had them flowering a lot of the times, especially in conservatories or something like that. So you can have a patio pond or a patio bowl in a conservatory, and yeah, it's nice and warm, it's nice and hot, and you can grow tropical water lilies in the UK. Obviously hardies can grow anywhere, and they're absolutely fantastic plants because they're frost resistant. They can go down to sort of like -20, where the tropical lilies, they will flower all the way through into the frost, so they will actually carry on looking much better into the autumn. So I treat them more as annuals. I've been experimenting with lotuses in the UK for a while, and what I'm going to be doing is, or what I'm learning is basically heating the water. It may be that the rhizome needs to be heated, so actually using aquarium heaters in patio bowls in a conservatory, and I may be able to get them to flower. China's doing lots of work on the cold water tolerance of tropical water lilies. It's amazing on what's actually being done on tropical water lilies, and it's amazing also to me as an international water lily judge what's coming around the corner, and I'm absolutely super excited what is coming around the corner. Some of these plants, they go for like £1,000 for a little small tuber. It's amazing, but over in the next 3 to 5 years there'll be a lot more water plants like these that are coming in and available in the UK, as we tend to get to know how to grow them in the UK, whether it's a patio pond, in a conservatory, but we can get there. So my name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. Put it in the comment section below, what type of water lily do you grow in your pond? And let me know whether you've got experience. You may be growing water lilies in the UK, tropical water lilies, Nelumbo. Certainly there's a good collection at Kew. So if you're looking for tropical water lilies or Nelumbo, go and have a look at some of the botanical gardens in the UK, and you might be inspired to grow them at home. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.